All right. Ryker fam, what's going on? You already know what time it is. It's the oil change time. So let's go on ahead and get into it. So right now, this kit is running about $85. I ordered it off of Amazon. It comes through another Power Sports dealership. Took about a week to get it, but now that I have it, I'm ready. So I changed the oil the very first time, which is in my very first oil change video. That was right around 3,500 miles. I'm at almost 7,000, about 66,000, maybe 6,900, something like that. Pretty close to 7,000. So I'm gonna go ahead and do another oil change and get that knocked out. So let's go ahead, let's get to it. All right, so we're pretty much ready. I was just kind of going through my tool list again, just making sure I kind of had everything I needed. So I do know you need a T30 bit for these little screws up here. You have 3 of them, one there, and here's a little trick for those who don't know. You have this hose right here. If you just move it out the way just a little bit, it will allow you enough room to get to that third one. So I kind of have it all set out here. I have a little attachment piece for mine, just to make it a little easier. Like I said, you got the T30. You're gonna need a 10 millimeter, and you're gonna need a 11/16 socket for your big plug. This is for the little plug underneath the bike. This is for the big plug underneath the bike. And you'll need this T30 for those little screws up top. So that's really all you're gonna need. A little bit of patience and a little bit of time, and you got it. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started. So kind of like last time when I did the oil change, a lot of oil was left in the reservoir here. So what I did different this time was try to jack it up, try to make it level, and some more did start to come out. So that might be the trick, is to actually make sure that you jack up the bike. Last time I only had it sitting on the ramps. This time I jacked it up. So that seemed to make a little bit of a difference, but I do still have some oil in here. So I'm gonna play around with it for a little bit and try to get that oil out. I basically try not to make too big of a fuss about it. You're gonna have some residual oil down at the bottom just because where your drain is in the middle, there's a little lip around it, so it's gonna leave a little excess oil. At least that's in my experience. You guys let me know what you think, how you might have got some of the extra oil out. I think last time I did use like a rag and I went all around and got it all out, but I don't think I'm gonna do all that this time. So maybe I'm doing something wrong, I don't know, let me know, but there is some residual oil. So just real briefly, for those who don't know what comes in the oil change kit, and if you haven't seen the last video, this is what you get. You get your filter, you get your oil, you get your gasket and rings. So you get everything you need and you get the exact amount of oil that you need. So it's pretty nice, a bit expensive, but it's really, really nice and really, really simple. All right, so I pretty much have everything ready to go. I've got my oil opened up and set up so that I can go ahead and start pouring in my oil. So nothing really left to do but to do it and then get the bike running, get that oil to start going back through, and we'll be done because I'm gonna go for a little ride today. So I'm gonna go ahead and get that finished. Like always, thank you for watching. Please be sure to like, share, and subscribe. And we'll see you guys next time. Peace.